Here is the finished weekly report. Headline numbers, category performance, and the weekly pattern in one view. For a small team, the right tool should remove repeated work. Spreadsheets are flexible, but recurring rebuilds stay manual. Refresh tools move data into place. Business intelligence platforms handle complex systems, but need more setup. Can it build a report your team can check and send? This started with a CSV containing 643 orders. That works well for a fixed snapshot. For regular updates, connect a supported source so the data can refresh or resync on the reporting cadence. This is the exact request used for the build, shown again without sending it. Revenue, order count, refund rate, category performance, and a weekly breakdown. Anomaly found 48 refunded orders among 643 total orders, producing the 7.5% shown. The saved calculation explains the rate. Distinct refunded orders divided by all distinct orders in the selected period. The example code shows how that definition is applied. The data view shows the 48 refunded rows behind the result. After the checks, the work becomes a PDF report. It carries the summary, key measures, and charts into one document. For the next reporting cycle, refresh the connected source or replace the uploaded file, then run the same workflow again. The full comparison below explains when a spreadsheet, refresh tool, business intelligence platform, or anomaly fits.